And finally tonight, the Hollywood storyline that could become reality for many of our endangered animals. Scientists in the UK are contributing samples of DNA taken from vulnerable species to a global databank. The hope is that one day the samples could be used to bring extinct animals back to life. Now, where have we seen that before? Andy Dickinson reports.
In science reminiscent of Jurassic Park, where dinosaurs were resurrected, conservationists are taking the first steps into an uncertain future, where frozen DNA could unlock the survival of so much of our threatened wildlife. London Zoo among those contributing its animals' genetic footprints to a global Noah's Ark of samples.
It's really cutting edge, looking at storing not the animal but the DNA from that animal in such a way that it can be revived, to try and help those species that really we may have lost. I mean, it would be sad, it would be tragic to get to that point, but if we ever do, we've at least got this sort of stopgap.
It's thought more than 45,000 animal species are currently at risk of extinction, and that's a number that continues to rise. This project won't solve that, but it does mean we could conceivably bring endangered animals back to life. These cryogenic tanks already storing enough genetic material to help revive some species down to their last few pairs.
This could be an absolutely vital lifeline for many of the species that are literally on the brink of extinction. We can freeze tissue down, freeze those species down in time, ready really to be brought back to life at a moment's notice in 10, 20 or 1,000 years' time, effectively still in a living state. We're at a cliff edge for many of them. And this may be one of the last lifelines for many of our species in the future.
Although the technology isn't complete, the potential to bring species back from the brink is an enticing one, with an estimated 50 a day being lost. The question now, could science fiction indeed become science fact? Andy Dickinson, ITV News.